Snake. Where's Johnny? They're here. Go on without me. This time, I'll protect you. Go. Destroy DW while there's still time. While I'm still alive.
Meryl.
Snake, the corridor ahead is full of microwaves.
Yeah. No way I'm getting through there uncooked. I'm sorry you got dragged into this.
This time, I've got your back. We'll meet again on the other side. Go. Hurry. Go.
Okay, let's get this show started.
You can't take any more of it.
It's not about winning.
Can't take any more of this. Not about winning. And what is it about, Snake? Okay. Can I go through there? Nope. Okay, I can't go over there. Fine by me.
Tongues of dying men enforce attention like these farms where words are spent. They are seldom spent in vain.
Why don't we get somebody else?
It's our duty.
It is our duty.
I've got nothing to lose. You were the lightning.
I've got nothing to lose.
Shine in the darkness.
And just keep going.
Go. Hurry.
Hurry.
On the other side.
Time to do your duty.
Time to do your duty. Go with it, huh?
Failure will spell doom for the human race.
Go.
Yes, it will. Kick some ass, Meryl.
Come on, Snake. I can't hold out much longer.
But you have no more ammo. Just one more bullet.
Damn it. I can't protect anyone. I can't.
Yes, you can. Meryl, look who's still alive.
Johnny,
Johnny.
you're all right.
Of course he is.
Here. You trying to make up for being late?
Meryl, I'll never leave you alone again.
Cover.
Clear!
Ready.
Exactly. Who needs them?
Tell me something. How come Mantis couldn't control you?
I figure she probably used people's nanomachines to manipulate their behavior. No nanomachines, no control.
But don't you?
Nope.
No, I don't have any nanomachines in me.
What?
Every time we had mandatory shots, I ducked out.
Don't tell me you knew this was gonna happen.
Nah, I just hate needles.
So that's why you were always out of sync with the team.
I tried to keep track of everybody's data on my wearable, but I could never keep up.
And why you weren't affected in Europe on the Volta.
Yep.
Asshole. Johnny, I'm running low.
Don't worry, I got these from Drebin. Meryl,
Johnny, I never knew. All those horrible things I said.
forget it.
All those stomach aches. Was that because the nanomachines weren't there to suppress them?
Yeah.
But if you're afraid of shots, why'd you join my team?
I wanted to be near you. To protect you.
Johnny?
Meryl,
Johnny.
I've always loved you. Ever since Shadow Moses, when I first laid eyes on you.
That was you, on
Meryl,
Johnny.
marry me.
He's got a hell of a sense of timing. I have to say, no.
You'd rather stay single? Okay, but we don't have to make it official.
No.
No.
Well, how about we just move in together then?
Nope.
Why? Is there something wrong with me?
No. I'd just rather do things my way. Johnny. Marry me. I'll say it again. Marry me.
Marry me.
Sure, it'd be my pleasure.
Oosh.
Hey. And don't even think about cheating on me.
I wouldn't dare.
Yeah, you better not.
And I want a real wedding. With flowers and a cake. It's been my dream since I was a little girl. I want to be a bride. Take me home, Johnny.
Take me home, Johnny. Okay. Da-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Oosh. Let go of me. I'm gonna ignore them. Shoo! Get up, Snake! Get up! Oosh. How many of these fuckers are there? And there are more! Oh shit! Let go! Let go! Okay. And the bitches are in here. That's good, that's good, that's good. Whoosh. happening again. You having a heart attack now or what?
Snake?
Snake?
Snake!
Not working. Gone.
They're not working.
Come on! Get up! On your feet, Snake!
On your feet, Snake! Snake! Raiden!
Raiden.
Did he lose both arms? I thought he only lost one arm.
I am lightning.
I am lightning.
Being transformed.
Okay. How did that happen?
Snake,
Snake.
leave this to me.
Will do, mate.
I'll go to the server room.
The corridor's full of microwaves. One of us is enough.
My body is a machine. I can take it.
Your body may be a machine, but your heart is human. You've got a life to go back to.
She means nothing to me now.
Raiden, look at me. You still have your youth. Don't waste it. You can
Waste
start
it.
over. From here on, this is my fight. We tore the world apart. Made your life a living hell. It's my duty to put an end to all of this.
All right. I'll make sure they don't get through.
You better make sure.
With me, Snake!
Stay
Hold
with me,
on,
Snake.
Insert the virus.
Time to kick some ass, Raiden.
Otacon,
Gone.
from the inside.
Done.
Thank you.
There, my Friday has been okay. Can't complain. How's your Friday been? Hey, Bacon, how you doing? Welcome to the stream.
Snake, that place is saturated with microwaves. The longer you stay in there, the greater damage you'll take. Get through there as quickly as possible.
Will do. We gotta get through here as quickly as possible. Will do, Otacon. I wonder if that's normal. That's running at such a low frame rate. I mean, the gameplay part is running normally, but
Don't give up on me, Snake!
your Snake becomes a legend. Yep. Come on, move it, Snake! Move it! Don't stop! I know it's hot AF in there, but you gotta move it. Don't stop, you can get through there. Get up, Snake! Get up! You can do it, Snake! Come on, Snake! Don't give up now! Just keep moving! Oh, come on. Oh, Meryl and Johnny are getting shot at. I can survive this. They shouldn't be able to survive this, but of course it's a video game. Of course they're gonna survive this, but... Snake! Do not give up! Come on! Just keep moving, Snake! You can do this! Snake! Come on! You can do it, Snake! And it's Rosemary. Colonel. Come on, Snake! You can do it, Snake! Mom, we're almost there, Snake. Don't give up now. Keep moving. Keep moving. There's Sunny, making her perfect eggs.
We're running out of time. Have to keep moving. Please.
I know, Otacon, I know. And we won't stop moving. Sheesh. Come on,
Give up on me,
Snake.
Snake.
Move. Don't give up. We almost made it. We almost made it. Loading screen. Actually, in the loading screen, having to go through all that again. You know what doesn't make any sense at all? Why did Snake have to go through there when Otacon is doing everything anyway? Right? I think Otacon is doing everything anyways. Why did Snake have to go through there? Compliance are nanomachines, son. And the memes.
So this is GW.
This is GW.
It's like a graveyard in here.
Otacon, can you do it?
Leave it to
Can
me.
you do it? See? Otacon is doing everything. Snake did not have to go through all that. Hey Peach, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Don't look from work, hope you're well. Thank you for that lurk, really appreciate it. I'm doing fantastic. Hope work is going well for you today.
We did it! It's over.
They did it! Johnny!
Metal Gear.
Snake.
Snake.
Wait a minute. The worm is still spreading. And it's not
Stopping at GW. Is it removing the other clones? No. Wait. I don't believe this.
What's happening?
Naomi.
Otacon, what is it?
JD is
being erased.
Snake. Hal. It's you, isn't it? I hope you're listening. The virus you uploaded is using GW as a conduit to annihilate the entire AI network. It's set to destroy all 4 AIs, along with JD, the core that tied them all together. I've set this video to play back once they're all gone. Sons of the Patriots was only the beginning. The Patriots were planning to use nanomachines to implement the system over the entire population. I had an obligation to stop it. With a little help from Sunny. She helped me. She believed her talents could help you all put GW to rest. What she created was
What's happening now? I hate it.
anti-AI Fox dye. But this virus's name is Fox Alive. It's the conceptual opposite of the nanomachines that I created all those years ago. We wish to free the captured foxes, to let them run free in the wild.
Okay, we're back.
By the time you hear this, I'm afraid I'll be gone.
Afraid I'll be gone.
This is a strange feeling, leaving a message to be delivered after you've died. Hal, if you're listening,
Naomi.
I'm sorry. Sorry I deceived you. It hurt me more than anything else, lying to you like that. I wanted to apologize to you before,
Then why didn't
but I
you?
never got the chance.
Hey, Chinover, how you doing? Welcome to the stream.
And yet,
Thank you, Hal. MacBook Pro. He's using a MacBook Pro. Hope you're doing well today. How's the game? I'm doing fantastic. Can't complain. The game is fantastic. The game is fantastic.
Snake, hear me. Our country is an innocent child once more. A new dawn is rising. Now, she can build a new destiny for herself. Snake, the time has come.
Hey, Hippie, how you doing? Welcome to the stream.
Earned your rest.
You've earned your rest. Yes, you
Rose
have.
petal is about to fall.
Snake,
Snake.